I'm Joe, by the way. Nice to meet you. I think we spoke on the phone, right?
Probably.
Yeah, okay. So you had damage on the vehicle. I don't know. But the bottom line is, so what we'll do is we'll not only touch up the Boss Wax, but we'll give you oil over your rear wells too as well, okay? And then if you don't mind, I'll probably just take a couple of videos of the truck. Yeah, okay, good. All right, do you want to see it before?
An accident or something?
He had an accident,
Okay.
Exactly, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, and so, you know, part of the warranty is touch-ups, breaches in the surface. Now, we limit it usually to a surface area, but honestly, if somebody had an accident, they come in and as long as we don't have to do the vehicle overnight, we take care of it.
Okay.
Okay. I don't know which quarter. I suppose you'll put it up there and we can figure it out.
So you had a damage in the bed area?
Rear quarter, he said, yeah. We'll find out. So,
Okay. The whole side. Yep.
yeah, so 1-year-old Boss Wax, it's dirty. 1 2-year-old. He had some damage and he brought the vehicle back in. So this panel was replaced and we're going to touch up the Boss Wax and we're going to re-oil the channels and the double walls of the rear well. This is a lifetime warranty nationwide. You can bring it into any dealer, any participating dealer. Chevys, unfortunately, are notorious for Chevys, GMCs, waxes are notorious for coming off on their own. There's been service advisories on them since the conception. The key to this is there's no magic bullet. You need to come in, no one and done. This is a maintenance program. Every 2 years, you bring the vehicle back. There's nothing that's going to get out of control. Nothing that is going to be more than a surface rust, a superficial rust. And we'll stay on top of it. And what the warranty does cover is the wax barrier. We can't promise you we're not going to have corrosion. Can't beat Mother Nature. But if you maintain your wax barrier, you'll have minimum. And for us, a win is 10, 15 years of additional life. Extended life on the vehicle is a win. NHOU Boss Wax, nationwide lifetime warranty. Here is a customer collecting. He had an accident. We replaced the rear quarter. He brings it in. 45 minutes, we touch it up, re-oil the cavity, and he's out on his way, maintaining the barrier and the protection necessary for this vehicle to last well beyond its life, structurally. You change your oil, but engines can be replaced. Components for the engines can be replaced. Your frame really can't. You want to be proactive. Be proactive with corrosion. Vehicles today going 250, 300,000 miles, and the liquid de-icing material that's out there is going to kill this vehicle. Another day in the shop. We also have Aaron out here. He's from Nebraska. He's a new franchisee. You're from Nebraska, look him up. Going through the training. There is his trailer. Gas-powered rotary screw compressor. We have high-pressure systems, 2-limmer high-pressure systems. Look at that, see that? This trailer has been out for 1 year. Look at the corrosion. It won't happen once he starts spraying. Stainless steel 15-gallon kegs. We also have heated blankets during the winter. that will keep the product warm. We have heated air lines. There is a built-in there's a 2000 watt inverter with the deep cell dry battery. So this is fully self-contained. When your vehicle's up on a lift or up on a wedge trailer, you have the ability to see the undercarriage and do a good job. Mobile to you. northeastnebraska.com. Find them on our website, NHOU.